What's my worst skateboarding injury? That would be the injury I am suffering with right now. The incident happened a few weeks ago, but let's start the story a bit earlier. 3 years ago, I got my first skateboard. I was 28. Well, I liked it, even when I slammed. My board was nice, the wheels were nice, the trucks were nice. Oh, by the way, my name is Adnan Khan, but my friends call me
Adnan.
Over the years, my board changed quite a bit, particularly the deck size. I have been skating an 8.1-inch deck for a while, but recently I wanted to move up to an 8.25. And so I messaged my pals at Liberalis Skate and asked if they would be ever so kind and supply me with an 8.25. They said, sure. Then I had a brilliant idea. As a thank you to Liberalis, I could make a skate video to show off all the new skate tricks I've learnt, all while using my brand new deck. I waited patiently for my new deck. It didn't show. Then I thought I might as well use this downtime to practice my new tricks, so I'll be ready when the Liberalis deck arrives. Even my friends would say it.
You know, Adnan, you should go out and practice your new tricks.
I went out that very evening. I was surrounded by ominous clouds. I'm a Londoner, and so I should not easily get unsettled by grey skies and darkness. I managed to shake off the jitters and landed a bunch of stuff. I was doing unusually well, and so skated towards complete exhaustion. I don't usually skate if I'm exhausted, as it tends to lead to sloppiness and injury. But there was one trick I was dying to land. It was a frontside 180 to a fakie 360 shove in quick succession. I am still injured, so my friend Jeffrey Moffat will demonstrate the trick. I have landed a fakie 360 shove before, but not immediately after a 180. Anyways, I am digressing. This is how the injury happened. On my first attempt, I popped the 180 and then quickly scooped the 360 shove. Landed, but got off balance and jumped off the board. I almost landed it first try, and I never land stuff first try. I thought to myself, you know what? This may be my special trick. On the next attempt, pop 180, pop 360 shove. But I didn't lift up my back foot high enough and the board whacked my shin. It hurt real bad, but this is not where I got injured. I said to myself, okay, on the next try, I am for sure landing it. I am 100% committing to this no matter what. Even my friends would say it.
You know what, Adnan? You've got to commit.
Okay, here goes. Popped the 180. Landed gracefully. Scooped the 360. I jumped really high on this one to avoid another shin-up. The board completed the 360 rotation, but it was flying away from me. I was committed to landing it. I followed the board up in the air. I caught it. I looked down and my back foot was on the board. Yes. But wait, where's my front foot? It was MIA. I tried desperately to bring my front foot back on the board. I got my toes on, but just clinging on. Slam. We land, but with sheer force, enough so that the board twisted in a way I didn't know boards could. The pressure is unbearable and my front foot slips, releasing the deck like a catapult. Whack! It hits me right on the kneecap. 2 seconds later, I feel immense pain. I get kinda dizzy. I start to shake my limp leg in the air. It's something I've been doing since I was a kid. I feel like if you try hard enough, you can shake off the pain. And it kind of worked. The pain was still there, but I was able to limp home. I got home, had dinner, watched TV. Then slowly creeping in and gradually getting stronger was this immense pain. It has been 2 weeks now, and my knee is better, although I can't fully bend it. I will be honest, the injury did make me fearful. I mean, there's huge risk of injury, and I'm 32 now. I don't bounce back off the floor like I used to. But then, during the night, my deck was mysteriously delivered. When I saw the new deck, I got a warm feeling inside. And it dawned on me, you can't stop doing what you love because of fear, as life itself is filled with peril. Even my friends would say it.
You're right, Adnan. Life is full of peril.